So annoying. So annoying. So annoying. I don't know why this continues to happen. Testing 1, 2. Hey, are we back? We're back. I had to restart stream. We had a Top Step X kind of glitch. Top Step X got us. They got me. They got me. Is that a John quote on your wall? Not necessarily. All right, market ripping it to new highs, about to test. We tickled the 25 300s. Now we just need a nice pullback and we can get on this train. Testing 1, 2. We are back, I believe. We believe we're back. That's so annoying. So annoying. This Ohio internet is starting to annoy me. I think I might try it without streaming to Twitter. I feel like maybe that's part of the problem. At least it might be worth All right. I'm on a dial-up line. Feels like it sometimes. Feels like it sometimes. Are we back though? I think we're back. It's so annoying. Is the platform X? Yeah, I feel like maybe X is the reason. I don't know. I don't know. All right, we did make it through the 300s. Now we need a pullback. Now we need a pullback. Man, it's just gonna keep going now, huh? We're just gonna keep ripping it. Yeah, we're back. First go to my 327, then pull back. Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that, Brian. I do want to see a pullback though. Is this just gonna rip straight up now? Yeah, yes, black coffee. Hit the likes. Uh All right. See, can we get a setup here? Oh, come on. Kind of hope. I want to see this pull back. Doesn't look like it's going to. Looks like we're just going to keep ripping. Hey, RX. You've been up and down so much today, currently slightly up. Hey, might not be a bad time to call it, RX, if it's been a very seesawy day. I do expect, I mean, this is right before a holiday, and I don't know, usually you get a little bit more of a choppy market, but not always, not always. It just depends. Hey, Crystal MN, how has your experience with Funded Next been? I see they have a lot more negative reviews compared to others. Crystal, full disclosure, I mean, I don't have any personal bad experiences, but I'm not a fan of how they presented and advertised the no payout caps. Just the way they went about doing that, not a fan of it. I am trading with Funded Next, but I'm no longer affiliated with them. I don't know. I don't think it's terrible, but at the same time, I'm not a fan of it. Done with Funded today, Black Coffee. Nice and green. Let's go. Yep, if you're nice and green now, I think a great idea to just, I think that's a great idea to just walk away. I know I would be. If I was nice and green right now, I think I'd call it a day. I think I would. There's really no need to overcomplicate it, but hoping we get a nice pullback here and maybe we can get a nice trade. I'm wondering though, I'm wondering if we're going to see a big enough pullback here to get an entry. That's the problem. Yeah, I feel like that's the case, RX. I feel like the afternoon will probably get pretty slow. People are going to be kind of checking out early today and heading for the airports, and a lot of traveling happening today. So if we don't get a setup here soon, I'll probably just call it a day. The only setup we could have taken was this one right here. This one right here, we could have taken it. I don't know. I wanted to see new highs though, so I'm okay not taking it. But I could have justified an entry there above the 220s. Would have been a nice trade, of course, being that we didn't take it. And we go right back up. Really need this to pull back here. I feel like if this rips up through the 320s, it's not going to look good. The market will be open tomorrow. I believe so. I believe the market is open until 1 o'clock, I think, if I have it right. Did they? I did not see that Ace Undercover. 18 million people traveling. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm glad that I'm not one of them. Tomorrow we'll be staying put. All right. Yeah, it's a half day tomorrow, and then it's also a half day on Friday, I believe. So half day tomorrow, half day Friday, and then Monday we're back full steam ahead. Decembers are always just a little bit iffy. I feel like Decembers are always, I don't know. It's kind of, I mean, usually we have a rally, but I don't know. We'll wait and see, I guess. I don't know. Especially like the week before, like the week between Christmas and New Year's. Hey, John is back. How long am I in Ohio? I will leave for Florida again Sunday morning. This coming Sunday morning, we leave for sunny Florida. Sunny Florida again. All right. See, we make new highs. If we make new highs here and just rip this, I'm getting pretty skeptical that we're going to get a pullback here. The Nutty X feed. I know, John. Top Step X was, they got me. They DDoSed me. I got most of your payouts last year in December. Oh, nice. Hey, maybe we can do that again. Yeah, the trade from 220 to 300 was really nice, Clack. If you took that setup, this entry right here, 220, that was pretty nice. I will not. I have a little bit of wishing. I wish I would have taken it, but it is what it is. We can't change the past, unfortunately. Can we please talk trading and stop with sunny Florida? Bob. Niles. Right now, man, sunny Florida is, oof, sounds like a great idea. Hey, good luck, Sharoos. Good luck, Sharoos. We're kind of hanging out. We are hanging out right up here at the 300s. Feel like if we pop up through here, we're gonna rip up through the 320s. Let's see if it goes right here. Oh, there it pops a little bit. Is it gonna keep going? Is it gonna keep going? 307s. $308s, 310s. There she goes. Yeah, I don't know. We're not getting much of a pullback. Not getting much. I will be going to Florida New Year's. Oh, let's go, Niles. Nice. Why didn't I take the 1048 trade, Andreas? Yeah, I was just talking about that. Obviously, it looks kind of dumb in hindsight. I did not want to take a trade in the middle of this range. I wanted to wait till we break up through the new highs. Was my reasoning. I wanted to see new highs and then wait for a pullback, but obviously that 220 trade that was a beautiful trade, especially if you were in two contracts. You can take one contract off here and trail the other one pretty tight, and you would have had that would have been a really, really nice trade. I wish I would have taken it, but we didn't. We didn't. $310 was the high. Actually, the 1 hour chart. What? Let's see what. Yeah, actually, you're right. This was. This is actually a pretty important level. The 310s is right at this double top. And we had that massive drop. Yeah, that's true. Very, very true. That was, when was that? That was last Tuesday, I think. Oh, there she goes, 320s. We are breaking out to the upside. Look at her go. Before I forget, happy Thanksgiving. Hey, VatQ, thank you. Before I forget, and if I get cut off again, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. You guys have given me so much to be thankful for. I am very thankful for your guys' support, and you guys are pretty awesome. I have a lot to be thankful for. Healthy body, I got a healthy mind for the most part, and I do suffer from some short-term memory loss. But other than that, I have so much to be thankful for. The fact that I get to do this for a living is like a dream. It really is like a dream. And you guys make it possible. You really do. So thank you. Thank you. If I don't say, I feel like sometimes I don't say it enough, but during this Thanksgiving season is a great time to just say thank you. I really, really do appreciate you guys. I really do. Feel like we should feel like maybe we should cap the day off with feel like we could find a very appropriate Ben and Rose song that we could maybe play. So might just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Look at her go up through the 320s. Now we're just ripping it higher, man. Now I feel kind of, I don't know how I feel. Man, I feel like I totally missed out. Hey, no risk management, V33, thank you, thank you. Jay Wilson, thank you guys. Hey, I'm the lucky one. I get to stream for a living. Who would have ever thought? I remember, I mean, it's crazy actually. It's actually crazy. I get to do this for a living. It's insane. When I tell people what I do for a living, I think a lot of people, they look at me and I think they feel sorry for me or something. I don't know. Or sometimes they look at me very weirdly. They're like, "You do what?" And I'm like, "Hey, huh, they have no idea. I love what I do. We very lucky." What? All right. Hang on. What is all this stuff? Oh, never mind. I keep some reality that it. Hey, thank you again, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Hey, Kind Bar Trading. Let's go. Hey, thank you, Andreas. Thank you. I'm a professional trader and I tell people I work in finance. It is a very, it's a weird, I don't know how to, yeah, I struggle with how to tell people what I do for a living. It's kind of weird. Hey, Pine Tree. Thank you, Pine Tree, and happy Thanksgiving to you and your family as well. Thank you very much. We were just talking about how much we have to be thankful for. Man, especially like we're actually Friday. Friday we're going up to Cleveland. Going up to Cleveland to visit our friends in the hospital. They just started the chemo treatments, and man, I it just really puts life in perspective. And man, if you have good health, if you have a healthy body, healthy minds, um, that is something to be very thankful for, because to have friends, and they're like 10 years younger than we are, and just in the blink of an eye, they, not really, having a normal, everything being normal to, that diagnosis, leukemia, and just completely changed everything. So definitely so much to be thankful for. Hey, thank you, Tanush. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving to you as yours as well. Hey, Aaron Korn. Hey, thank you. I appreciate that. I do risk management for a small business. The best thing, I think one of you guys actually mentioned it. If someone asks me what I do for a living, tell them that I sell red and green candles. Or I buy and sell red and green candles. I might use that. I might use that one of these days. And people are going, they're going to look at me even more like I've lost my mind. I'm like, what does this guy do? He sells candles? Hey, thank you, Niles. Thank you. I appreciate it. Amen, Joey. Amen. Man, this market, this is insane. We're just going straight up now. No pullbacks. No pullbacks for you. Nope. No pullbacks for you. I guess I'm struggling with what I should do here. I really don't want to trade this afternoon. I really don't want to trade this afternoon. Oh, hey, Diego. Thank you, Diego. Thank you. I do appreciate that. Thanks for the $60. Man, that's crazy, Diego. I really thank you. Thank you. Red and green candles. Every day is Christmas. Yes. I think Apex turned off the link to check profit and loss on each account. Oh, really, AGT? That's weird. I'll check it out. I sell red and green candles. I buy and sell red and green candles. I like that. It's only 10 USD. I don't care. That's a lot. I'm good with that. Thank you, Diego. It's the thought that counts. Thank you. Mighty Micros Trader. Yeah, candle arbitrage. I'm in the candle industry. That's kind of good. I like that. if you tell them that you do investing or trading for a living, like, you know, it's just it's so different, and it's even probably more different for me because of the community, like the community that we live in. I don't know anybody else, no one else that does trading for a living. Like nobody. So everybody just is like, what? People are nice enough that they don't really question some, or they don't, you know, they probably don't say what they're thinking, but I'm sure people walk away and are like, man, that nutty guy, I have no idea what he does. Probably think I'm a drug dealer or something. All right, I'm going to stick around for this pullback. If we don't get an entry on this pullback, I think we walk away for the day. So let's pay attention. Let's, you know what I should do? I should go right now and make sure that Cody is not about to go to the restroom. I should go double check. Make sure Cody isn't about to take a dump. We cannot afford a Dad, I'm done. We cannot afford that again today. Not today. My Ferrari. Yeah, right. You know what I drive? You guys would laugh. Which, I mean, I have a nice truck. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but and then we have a, what is it, 2020 minivan with over 100,000 miles. You know what? And I love it. And we just going right back up. Yeah, if we make new highs here, I think I might just call it. I don't know. I did not expect this strong of a move, but it's definitely happening. We barely even tested the 1 minute, the 21 EMA. Yeah, scalping with Tom. Facts. Don't drive a bright colored Lambo. Can you guys imagine if I would even have like I mean, you guys have no idea. If I would drive a Lambo around here, it would be chaos. Absolute chaos. Which I wouldn't do. Like first of all, I'm not doing that. I'd probably have people come visit me, ask if everything is okay. They'd be like, "Wait, are you good? Are you good, man?" But you guys know, people that know me, I will spend my money. I'll upgrade my mower, and this is no joke. I will upgrade my mower before I buy any kind of Lambo or anything similar. I will definitely, I'll buy one of those 120-inch lawnmowers that the decks go up, like they fold upwards. That will happen before I buy something like that. All right, market. It looks like one of those days where we're just, every little dip gets bought and we just keep going higher. It's okay then. I guess it is what it is. I don't know, Niles. You think? It's just a midlife crisis. Okay, market. Did not make new highs on that, so interesting. I was hopeful that you would invest in a Cessna. No, David, no. If you know me, I mean, I actually don't mind flying if it's like a commercial airline, but you will not get me in one of those small little prop, like, you will not get me in one of those little propeller planes, okay? Like, the only thing that's keeping us in the air is one engine with a propeller. Nah, you're not getting me in that airplane. Nah, not gonna happen. I'm okay taking flights with like commercial flights, you know, that I'm okay with, but we're not doing the little prop engine. Just not gonna happen. Nope. If you get an expensive toy, what your wife like to get for herself? Actually, that cue. So, well, you know what? I should make sure my wife isn't listening. There's a chance my wife is listening, so. Well, I can't ask her. I can't text her if she's listening. I can't text her if she's listening because if she is, then obviously, but if she isn't, she's immediately going to tune in. Would I ever try skydiving? Are you crazy? Are you crazy, Di Lorenzo? Dude, I wouldn't try I would never, ever, ever. Not even close. Look at that. Now we make new highs. Rip. Man, what a crazy market. Ah, that feels bad. We just can't get a pullback. We can't get the pullback we need. These are probably the hardest. This is probably the most challenging time to be patient. My 150K is past max drawdown. It didn't close. It's just running for the red. Anderson. Hey, just leave it, Anderson. You never know. You never know. Dude, I remember I went to the Grand Canyon once, guys. I went to the Grand Canyon and I almost had a heart attack. Like, and by the way, my concerns about the Grand Canyon were very, very valid. They were literally validated just a couple weeks ago. If you search okay, my problem with the Grand Canyon, at least where we went, was so they have these paths, like they have a path that kind of goes around the rim, the rim of the Grand Canyon. Now, there's one major problem with this path. Number one, there's two major problems with it. Number one, it's gravel, okay? And it has these small pebbles. So it's just a very easy slipping hazard. Second problem, it's angled the wrong way. It has like, it's on a slope. It's literally a little bit of a slope where it's not safe. Like, it's obviously not safe. I'm not OSHA, anything like that, but I can look at that and I can tell you that is not safe. And yeah, no railings. Yeah, no railings. Like, oh, who would fall here? Well, guess what? A couple weeks ago, I saw a headline that someone slipped and fell over 140 feet to their death. That's all I'm saying. I mean, yeah, the Grand Canyon is cool, but I ain't going there. That ain't happening. Nuh-uh. If I die, I just don't want to fall to my death. I'll do something else. That's just not gonna, I'm out. I won't do it. I don't care how nice the view is or anything else. It's just not gonna happen. Funding ticks is 50% off. Oh, it is? Oh, I guess I've been slacking. I have not been selling I have not been promoting my prop firms correctly. Wait, funding ticks is 50% off? Really? Is that for everyone, Roa Trades? Maybe I should Maybe I should look at my emails. Whoops. I'll probably get punished for not promoting these. Hang on. Where did you see this? Funding ticks. Oh my, yeah. Okay, never mind. You are correct. Funding ticks. 50% off. Wow. But is that for everything? 50% off. There's no limit, and that includes the direct to funded accounts? At least it doesn't say that it doesn't. Anyway, all right. Well, there you go, guys. Funding ticks. Let's Black Friday sales are here, folks. The Grand Canyon is overrated. I mean, I like looking at it from a distance, but I'm just not going down to the edge. They sell a book in the Grand Canyon gift shop about people who have fallen off. Are you serious, Best Guess Trading? You would think maybe that book shouldn't be sold at that particular place. I don't know. Really? I did see some issues with the $45 on the 50K. I mean, I saw someone, they're definitely being very picky about if you use a VPN, basically don't use a VPN if you trade funding ticks. They flag that. Detonator. It's not the fall that kills you, it's the sudden stopping. Oh my goodness. Oh man. You guys are undefeated. Man, look at this. Okay, okay, market. I give up. Man, I did not see this kind of move. Unreal. All right. We are officially above the 300s and we just keep going. Now we are coming up to this previous high, which is, what is this high? Looks like the 394s. So 400 level might be interesting, but I mean, after that, look out. Like this thing could just keep going. I have not taken any trades today, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I have not. I kind of wish I would have just taken this one. Obviously, in hindsight, it's always so easy. So easy and easy to say in hindsight. I did have my reasons to not take that setup, but obviously it looks kind of silly now. Literally unreal. Yeah, I hope. Yeah, I hope so too, Mr. Wall Street. That's not funny. Wait, I'm so sorry, David Wren. I really am. That's not funny at all. That gives the 30 trade challenge is inspiring. Nice to see those results. Hey, you're welcome, Mighty. No trade day. That's right. I have not taken any trades, and it just doesn't look like I'm going to get any setups here. It doesn't look like we're going to get anything. We had a chance. We had a chance to get a pullback to this, but we need like a 50-point pullback before we can get a trade here. Yeah, David Wren, man, my condolences, my prayers to you. That's always the hardest around the holidays. So, man, that, oh, I can't imagine. I cannot imagine going through that. Thanks for reminding me, Mr. Wall Street. I'm sorry, David Wren. I did not mean to be inconsiderate to that. But I think we just call it a day here. Because I just don't want to trade this afternoon. I feel like this afternoon, like after 1 o'clock, I feel like after 1 o'clock, this market could just kind of do anything. And I don't really want to be here for it. So I think I'm going to call it. Unfortunately, I don't have any accounts to give away. I wish I did. I definitely would. So I think we're going to call it here, guys. Again, thank you so much, everybody, for your support on this Thanksgiving holiday. I have so much to be thankful for. Thank you to each and every one of you, your loyal support. I really, really do appreciate it. I hope you guys all have a great Thanksgiving. Hopefully you spend the time with family and loved ones. Make good memories. Don't discuss politics. But have fun. Enjoy it. Be thankful. Be grateful. And we will be back on Monday from Florida. So it's going to be like 4 days before we stream again. So take care, everybody. Again, love you guys. Take care, and God bless.